Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is the daily Bitcoin update. We have here a neutral in the market, 51 points, and the market is neutral. Yesterday neutral, 52 points. Last week we had greed in the market with 55 points, and last month extreme greed in the market, 76 points. So guys, what's going on? The monthly candle at currently levels will close as a doji, signaling indecision and a potential reversal ahead. Here's a closer look at the potential reversal pattern that has crypto bears salivating for cheaper coins in the days ahead. So we will check this now. This monthly candle would be very interesting, the doji candle, and we will check this, what's going on. Here is the coin market cap, and look at this. Bitcoin is going up really nice here with a pump today with 6%. Bitcoin is going up in the week now with 15%. We have a really nice green chart picture here on the last 7 days. Ethereum is going down a little bit, very interesting. So the Bitcoin dominance with 49.2%, Ethereum dominance with 14.6%. Ethereum dominance was over 15%, it's now a little down with 14.6%. So Ethereum is going down with nearly 1%, but in the week Ethereum is going up really nice with 18%. The Binance coin is going up with 4%. In the week, the Binance coin is going up with 20%. XRP, a big pump today, 14% in the plus, 43% in the week. ADA is going sideways in 24 hours, but in the week, 23.6% in the plus. Dogecoin, 1% in 24 hours, and in the week, 35% in the plus. Polkadot, 6%, 6.7% on 24 hours, and 15.7% in the week. Uniswap is going down a little bit, 3.6% in the week. Uniswap is going up with 23%. Bitcoin Cash, 10% plus and 20% in the week. Litecoin a little bit in the plus. Chainlink in the plus. VeChain a little in the plus, and XLM also with 6.8%, a little plus in 24 hours. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest winner of the last 24 hours? And once again, it's Phantom. Once again, it's Phantom, the biggest winner in 24 hours, 20.2%. Look at this, guys. Look on the last 7 days for Phantom. 149% in the plus, extreme. Place number 2 is here Venus with 17.4%, and Waves place number 3 with 17.3%. So, ladies and gentlemen, the whole world is watching. What coin is the biggest loser of the world? The biggest loser of the last 24 hours is here, Solana, 4.17%. Second one is this one here, Decreed with 4%, and Uniswap is the third place here for the biggest losers. So guys, this is the quick overview of CoinMarketCap. Here is the technical overview, what's going on for Bitcoin. We can see on this daily time frame on Tradingview, we should, on the summary, strong buy Bitcoin. The moving averages are telling us also strong buy Bitcoin, and oscillators are telling us we should be neutral. The 4 hours are telling us buy, strong buy, and the oscillators, we should be neutral. The 1 hour summary time frame is telling us we should buy, we should strong buy, and the oscillators are on sell. So very interesting. The big time frames they are telling us, all time frames are telling us we should buy or strong buy, but the oscillators are here a little bit nervous. Let's check this now, guys. Very important. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Before we start our TA, this is my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is a quick overview now, and you saw it here. On this chart picture, you can see it very nice. This is the 1 hour Bitcoin chart, and you can see the breakout of this downtrend. Very nice. Also, the breakout of this golden pocket, 0.786 Fibonacci line. We broke it to the upside. We broke the 54,300 resistance, and now we have nice targets to the upsides. We have nice targets to watch, but look at this here. Here's the RSI. You can see it here. Very, very little, but you can see it. The RSI is overbought. We need to watch this. This is very important. So, but now let's check this one. Before we start, special greetings to my boss of the channel. I have a new boss of my channel. It's Subcritical. Special greetings out there. I'm very happy that you're my new boss, my VIP. You know Subcritical as my boss. You can ask me anything you want. You can ask me for TA for altcoins or what you like. Nothing is not allowed for you, so everything is allowed for you. Okay, guys, let's start this one here. This was my last chart picture. I showed you yesterday on my TA. I showed you, attention, attention, we may fall back to our 0.786 Fibonacci line, 53,000. This must hold. If this one will not hold or would not hold, we have maybe a decision to make a short position. But you can see it here, 53,000 was my support line, and you can see on the 4-hour chart, we spiked through again, and the next candle closed over this one. So this was not a confirmed breakdown of this 53,000. I read some comment on my YouTube video. BITI, you made it, but not really, because you told us to short. No, guys, attention, attention. I told you, if we break down after this 0.786 golden pocket, after 53,000 with a confirmed breakout or confirmed breakdown, it's a nice short possibility or a short position. But we need a confirmed breakdown, and this was not a confirmed breakdown. You can see it. It was a spike once, it was a spike twice, and then we had a closing candle over this one, and this was not the place for a short position. And now we have on the 4-hour chart a nice long position here, since the ribbon band turned from red into the green one. That's very nice. Also MACD on the downside, very nice. Before we start here, this TA in detail, let's check something. The monthly time frame, the monthly chart picture here. Let's remove all drawings and look at this last candle here. This is a very unsure closing candle. We have here time for closing this candle 7 hours. So we have a long wick to the downside, we have a long wick to the upside, and this is now not easy for the bulls, in my opinion. Let's check the candlestick patterns. I don't think that this pattern is here. Let me check it. I don't think so. In my opinion, this is a doji candle, and this is not the best sign for Bitcoin. Look at this. We had here for this bull run, all candles, they were green here. We had a lot of green candles, and this one is the first red candle now. The first red candle with a big wick to the upside and a big wick to the downside. So it's not easy to check what's going on. In my opinion, that's a bearish sign, but let's check this. The good news, we made higher highs, we made lower, higher lows. Everything is okay, everything is fine. MACD on the monthly, also okay. Look at this, blue line is a lot over the brown line, everything is fine. We are building green candles, but now is maybe the time to build not dark green candles, maybe the time to build these light green candles, and maybe we go down here. So this is extreme dangerous for me in the moment. Yes, this is a big nice pump to the upside, 57,000, very nice, but we need to watch this, guys. It's not easy. This is the monthly chart. What can we see now on the daily chart? Let's check this one here. This is the daily chart picture. And the nice candle here was this bullish engulfing candle. This was here for about 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We saw this nice candle. This is a very bullish sign. And you can see it on the daily chart. The MACD on the downside is still bearish, but we are crossing very soon this brown line. The blue line is crossing the brown line, and this would be a bullish moment. Also, you can see it, these red candles, these dark red candles are not growing, and we can see this, guys, these light red candles are now really near zero, and maybe we will build the next one, the next daily candle here in a green one. That would be very nice. From the downside is coming the EMA 200 as a support, and we are with this candle. If this candle can close in 7 hours over this ribbon band, we are confirmed over the ribbon band. This would be a very nice sign for the daily chart here. So let's go deeper. Let's go in the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is also very nice. I showed you this one here. Yes, long position, a green ribbon band. We have a MACD that is bullish. The blue line is over the brown line, and you can see we are building more and more dark green candles. Very nice. Very nice. The nice breakout for about 4 hours here, and we are now confirmed over this EMA 200. This is now a support. You can see it here. This EMA 200 was always a resistance. Here we spiked it. Here we spiked over it, but not a confirmed closing candle over it. And now this is our support. Very nice. And on the 4-hour chart, a long position here is also very nice. What is the next thing we can await? What is the next picture? Let me show you. We have a Fibonacci retracement from the highest point from Bitcoin from this one. No, that doesn't work. So once again, highest point from this one to the downside to this one. And you can see on this Fibonacci line on the 4-hour chart, we have now the next thing to watch. The next thing to watch is now this one, 58,000. 58,000 is for the moment the biggest thing we have to watch. We are on 57,000 momently, and we need to watch the next resistance, 57,000. This is the 0.618 Fibonacci line on the 4-hour chart. This is the next big thing. Also, we can make another stuff. We can make a nice parallel channel to the upside. Here was the deepest point, from the deepest point over this one to this one. We are now on the 4-hour chart in a really nice uptrend. And the good news are, look at this, we are over the middle line. Middle line is now also a nice support. We are now maybe retesting this support. Support is on 56,600. And we may see a retest and then a next leg to the upside, a next bounce to the upside. This would be very, very nice here. So let's go back here and let's go back to the 1-hour chart. What can we see here on the 1-hour chart? Let's watch this one here. If you're zooming out a little bit more, we have here some things to watch here. Here was a doji. Yes, this was a doji. Let's zoom in. What's going on here? Yes, this was a doji. You know, guys, a doji candle, it's nearly the same. Big wick to the upside, big wick to the downside. An unsure closing candle is a doji candle. And in this, if it's a green one, it's a bullish sign here. And you saw it, this doji candle, and then we saw a nice run to the upside. Now we have a doji candle from the upside down. This is a bearish one, a red one. And for the monthly, it's very interesting where we will see here the next targets. It's for the monthly, it's not sure for me. I'm a little bit bearish, still bearish. But for here, for the 1-hour chart, this is very nice. Here the next target also to 58,000 on the 1-hour chart. Everything is here fine. Everything is working. What are the other things we have to watch? We have here some things to watch. Also, this was this highest point here. This is also a little resistance to watch. Maybe like this here. We can make it red. Red is the resistance. So, and this is also the next thing. And you can see we touched it here. Bitcoin is reacting on this highest point here. And now we see a retracement, maybe to the middle line. And in my opinion, we will see now a fight here, an extreme fight on this position here. Maybe retesting this middle line, maybe up again, middle line, and maybe we will break through this 0.618, 58,000 and to the upside. This would be a very nice position. But in my opinion, it's very hard to tell you guys now it's going to the upside or to the downside. I have no active pattern here to watch. I have no really good stuff to watch. In my opinion, it's possible to see here a nice leg to the upside, but we have to wait. One thing I will show you guys on this video, last but not least, let's remove all drawings, let's remove all indicators, and let's zoom out a little bit. So this is the Bitcoin chart from 1 hour. And yes, for sure, it's possible. It's really possible, guys. I would like to show you something. Maybe this was a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. That's an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. And if this will play out to the upside, we have really nice targets. We have here, the point to watch is this one. This is our baseline. Our baseline we need to watch. The baseline is now also a resistance. The resistance is for the moment on this point on 47,600. So in my opinion, as long as we are under this trend line, baseline of this maybe inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, we need to watch out. It's not the best position momently here, in my opinion, to buy in. Maybe if we can break over this line here, over this nice trend line, baseline for this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, this would be a very nice position if we see here a confirmed breakout. So if you are not in a long position, momently, I would wait here for this point. Now, what's going on? And I can tell you guys, if this inverse shoulder head shoulder will play out, we have a nice target to the upside. This is the target, the highest point to the baseline, to the upside. If we break out here on this point, let me zoom out. Let me show you. This inverse shoulder head shoulder can break out up to 68,000. This would be a very nice thing. This would be a very nice new all-time high here for Bitcoin. And it's really possible to see this inverse shoulder head shoulder is always a positive thing, a bullish thing, and maybe it will break out into the upside. It's possible. So, okay, what can we watch now, guys? One thing is also very important, the parallel channel here. The parallel channel from this point to this point and to the downside, and like this here. So I made a parallel channel from the highest points here, this point and this point. You know, a parallel channel is a bullish channel now because it's going to the upside. We can make it green, and we are here acting in this parallel channel since days. And yes, we touched the baseline here. We touched it now again. We spiked down, we touched it again, and we are still in this baseline. So in my opinion, the biggest things to watch now in this 1 hour chart is maybe the breakout to 68,000, or in my opinion, really important 66,000, because this is the upper line of the uptrend. We are now very interesting. Look at this, fighting on the middle line. Look at this. Here is the middle line, and we see reaction on the middle line also. So from the TA, a lot of things are happening, and Bitcoin is reacting very nice on our TA, on our middle line also. So we need to watch these things. Maybe this will play out. This would be a very nice, a very nice trade to the upside. We can measure it up here. If we make here a long position on a confirmed breakout, maybe on 68,000, we have here 18%, and that would be a very nice trade. Without leverage or with leverage, you would make millions, guys. So okay, that's it. Guys, thank you very much for watching, guys. I need your thumbs up, and guys, I need your sharing to all Instagram, Twitter accounts, YouTube. Please share my video. If you like my TA, if you like my work, I need you guys, please share it. I need more clicks. I need more viewer. That's important to keep on making my work here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice time. Greetings. And it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye. System activated.